Hello my fellow comic book collectors. This video I'm going to show you how to install J-channel so you can put your slabbed comics or your top holder comics, like this one, onto the wall. So they're going to basically go onto the wall like this and you can install them on the wall. So things that you need in order to make this installation process is you need a tape measure so you know how big of a space you're working with, marker, you're going to need a drill, and you're going to need a level just to make sure that it's level when you put it in. And you're going to need some 8x1 screws. These will help it stay well into the wall. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to quickly measure it so you can make sure that when you put the slabs in that you get the right size for the spacing. What I did is I took some cardboard, and basically all you do is you put the slab next to the cardboard, and you want to give it about ½ inch of space, and that will be your measurement. This is going to be your measurement tool, so that when you put the J-channel onto the wall, you're going to put this in, you're going to put the other J-channel at the bottom, and you're just going to measure that space, so you know that your slabs will be in with the right amount of space. Now to do it for the top loaders, same process. You take a slab, take your cardboard, put the slab onto the cardboard, and then you're gonna just mark 1/2 inch so that you can pop it into the J-channel. And that's it. Those are the things that you'll need in order to do this installation. This J-channel cost me $6 for a big long length one. So you can install a lot of comics with one piece of J-channel. So this is the first video. I'm going to show another video where I'm actually going to show you the installation process. But this is just part one. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my next video, which I'll air tomorrow. Bye for now.